Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Discrete Mathematics, let us discuss about transitive relations. What is transitive relations? A relation R on a set X is transitive if for all elements A, B, C in X. That means a relations R on a set X is transitive if all elements in X, that is A, B, C, must be in X. Whenever R relates A to B and B to C, that means R is related to 1 to second, that is A to B, and second to third, that is B to C, then we can say it is related to first to third. R also relates to A to C. Each partial order as well as each equivalence relation needs to be transitive. Further explanation: transitive relations or binary relations is set theory that are defined on a set A such that if A is related to B and B is related to C, then you can say an element A must be related to C. For example, A, B, C in a set A. To understand this, let us consider an example of transitive relations. Defined A related to R on the set of integers Z as A related to B, A or B, if and only if A is greater than B. This is a condition. Now assume that integers A, B, C in Z, some integers, 3 integers considered in Z set, then you can say A relate to B and B relate to C. Then you can say A is greater than B, B is greater than C. Then you can say A is greater than C. For example, suppose take 3 integers in set Z. 2, 3, 4. The condition A relate to R, that is A relate to R. Look at here. 2 is lesser than 3 and 3 is lesser than 4. Then we can say 2 is lesser than 4. So it is transitive relations. Because 2 is lesser than 3, 3 is lesser than 4, then we can say the first is lesser than the third one. That is 2 less than 4. More examples of transitive relations for a better understanding. Is a subset of, that means one is subset of other. Set is a transitive relation defined as a power set of sets. If A is subset of B, then B is subset of C, then we can say of course A is a subset of C. Is a biological siblings is also, the condition is transitive relation, because if one person A is biological siblings of other person B, then B is a biological siblings of C, then A is a biological siblings of C. That is, first person is sibling to B, second person is sibling to C, then first person is sibling to third person also. Here is less than also transitive relation, is equal to also transitive relations, of course, because if first number is related to first number is equal to second number is equal to third, then you can say of course first is equal to third. Is congruent to is also a transitive relation defined on the set of triangles. If triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2 and triangle 2 is congruent to triangle 3, then triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 3, of course. Look at this example. If R, a relation R is set of 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 4 on set 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a relation on a set of this. Draw a directed graph. Look at here, how to draw a directed graph. Look at here. Now put all elements like here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here first relation 1 is related to 1. So you have to 1 is related to 2 is related to 2. 2 is related to 2 is related to 3. 2 is related to 3. 3 is related to 2. And 4 is related to 2. And 4 is related to 4. This is a directed graph of this relation. Next one, find R square equal ROR. So number 2 here. For pair AB for each pair AB is element of R, or find all B comma C element of R. Then A comma C is an element of R squared. That means R related to R itself. Then R squared is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, and 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Yeah, the condition is B comma C is related to R, then A comma C is here A comma B is related to R, B comma C is related to R, then we can say A comma C is related to R square, which is called reflexive relation. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.